Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or someone who is currently living in a temporary living situation, such as a college dorm, everyone should have a basic toolkit to hang decor and handle repairs. Toolkits not only include basics like a hammer, hex keys, and measuring tape, but more advanced ones can have tools that people tend to buy separately, including a box cutter or level. Buying these items altogether, instead of separately when you need them, may end up saving you more money in the long run. There are numerous options for cheap hand toolkit, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable hand toolkit from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Workpro 100-Piece Toolkit. This editor-approved toolkit is a fantastic starter for people moving into their first apartment or home. The toolkit includes a claw hammer, an adjustable wrench, an auto-lock tape measurer, 2 flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers, and both combination pliers and long nose pliers. Also included is a utility knife, which will make unpacking your moving boxes so much easier, and 8 hex keys, which will come in handy in case you lose any hex keys that come with your assembly-required furniture. In addition to the basics, the Workpro 100-Piece Home Toolkit comes with a handful of helpful extras, including 40 zip ties, 10 replacement utility knife blades, 9 sockets, and 20 screw bits that stay on their included screwdriver magnetically. The included polyester and water-resistant case has dedicated compartments with straps to secure each tool in its place, effectively eliminating any worry that the tools will become jumbled once inside. Number 2. Ikea FIXA 17-Piece Toolkit. This bare-bones toolkit is a great option for people who don't want to invest in a larger kit that is filled with items they know they won't use, which for some could include sockets, hex keys, or multiple pliers. The Ikea FIXA 17-Piece Toolkit gives you the absolute basics, including a claw hammer, 1 pair of pliers, an adjustable wrench, and a screwdriver that comes with 12 attachable screw bits, including various sizes for flatheads and Phillips heads. Also included is a rubber cover that, when applied to the hammer, turns it into a mallet. The kit comes in a compact, plastic case that has a specified place for each tool, so everything stays neat and organized. Although it does come with basics that allow you to tighten furniture screws and hang wall art, it does lack traditional toolkit items that are necessary for home repair, such as a level and tape measure. Number 3. DEKOPRO 168-Piece All-in-One Toolkit. If you're someone who prefers to tackle home repairs themselves, or likes to dabble in small home projects, you'll need a toolkit as robust as this one from Deko. The kit features 31 tools that can handle a wide variety of jobs, ranging from tightening nuts and bolts to stripping insulation off of wires inside the walls of your home. The kit includes basics such as hex keys, a hammer, utility knife, measuring tape, and level, as well as tools geared toward more experienced craftspeople, including a small saw, nylon spring clamps, wire stripper, polished quick-release ratchet, and more. Also included is insulating tape, a small assortment of nails, wall anchors, and screws, and a handful of screw bits that range from basic Phillips to posy. All of the tools featured in this kit are made of steel and finished with chrome, which helps avoid corrosion over time. The included toolbox is quite sturdy and comes with a rubber-padded ergonomic handle for extra comfort. However, considering the case is 17 inches long and more than a foot wide, it may not be compatible for people who are lacking in storage space. Number 4. DeWalt Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. This mechanics tool set from DeWalt contains 108 tools to help you get whatever at-home job you need done for your car. The kit includes 2 pair head ratchets, which are super useful for working in tight spaces. There are plenty of hex keys, big and small, nut drivers and bits, a socket extender, and an extensive collection of sockets that are both in SAE and metric measurements. The SAE sockets included are 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, and 3/8, and the metric sockets include 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This mechanics toolkit is most ideal for people who are primarily doing fastening applications at home. The kit comes in a sturdy storage case that has a secure space for every tool, no matter how small. What's more, this product comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 5. MECHREVO Gardening Tool Set. The MECHREVO 10-piece gardening tool set stands out for its functionality. The kit comes with helpful tools including a hand rake, hand fork, transplanter, weeder, trowel pruner, gloves with fingertip claws for easier gripping, and a kneeler pad. Not all garden tool sets include a kneeler pad, which, if you've experienced having to kneel while gardening for a prolonged period of time, you know how essential it is for not just comfort, but stability as well. Each of the tools are made of aluminum, which is naturally rust-proof. The accompanying tote is made of water-resistant polyester and comes with exterior compartments and a large carrying handle to make moving around your garden as easy as possible. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.